Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray. Underneath here is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with a LED logo that illuminates in the grille. 19-inch 5-spoke alloy sport wheels. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, fold down third row seats. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and active lane keep assist. This also comes with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors. This one does come with navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 29,358 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.